Hello guys, this is King of the Queen. So today I've decided to, it's Halloween today, so I've decided to dress up as a PlayStation pad. I'm joking. You can obviously see it's a Squid Game makeup. So if you want to see how to make this makeup, please watch the rest of this video. You will probably notice that in a few seconds it's super dark when I start this makeup because it took me literally 2 hours. So I got up very early in the morning to start this makeup and do it for you. So I finished when the sun came out. So that's the difference in the lighting. I hope you're gonna enjoy it. Okay guys, so we are going to start with an eyes. So we're going to start with the Tartelette palette and we're going to use this eyeshadow here. Then we're going to do thick pink line on my eyelid. Sorry guys, I forgot to tell you. So I basically added some Duraline into my eyeshadow. So yeah. In the pink eyeshadow, and the eyeshadow is from the palette Sleek Ultra Mattes V1, and it's this one. And I'm just gonna mix it with a wet Duraline to create an eyeliner consistency. Yeah, now we're gonna have to apply the foundation, and the reason for that is because I want to do the bottom line, and I'm just worried that after I apply foundation it's gonna disappear. And this is the moment where we're gonna also correct the lines with the concealer. But let me just first apply the foundation. The foundation that I'm using is Huda Beauty Full Filter Foundation, high coverage, in the color in the shade Vanilla 120B. See, the line is way more sharper. I'm just gonna fix it in a second. Oh, whitey! And now we're going to apply concealer, and the concealer that I'm gonna use is Maybelline Affinitone concealer. I don't think it's available in UK, but you can easily get it on eBay or other countries. I don't know why it's not being produced in UK, but other countries have it. I don't know. We're going to apply the powder. I'm sorry for the lighting, guys, but it's so dark outside because it's a massive storm outside. I know. I don't know what's going on. We're gonna use a powder from Kiko. This is my favorite powder. It's the shade 01, and the powder is called Radiant Fusion Baked Powder, and it's quite cheap because I think it's only £5, if maybe even less. It's one of my favorite powders. So now we're going to move on to the green line, and that green line I'm going to make it with this pencil, so very thick one, and this eyeshadow. I'm probably gonna do the same thing as I did with the pink eye, so I'm gonna use Duraline. And we're gonna do the other eye. So now, once we've done those lines, I want to do the circle. I want to do the circle and a triangle. Circle. Okay, sorry. So the eyeliner that I'm using is Wow Brow from AA, and it's a liquid eyeliner. I honestly would recommend you to do it with a gel eyeliner because it's harder to do it with a liquid one. Oh dear. So that's what it looks like. Yay! Oh my god. You can see by the light how the light is changing, how much time it takes me. It was dark when I started this video and now it's light. I mean, guys, it says it all. Give this video a thumbs up for the amount of time I'm spending on this makeup. I'm just gonna... Yay! Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Okay, now I think... I don't know if I'm not taking it too far, but I want to use the blood on my face. So I'm gonna take a liquid liquid lipstick. Okay, it works. Oh, in order to use that, I'm using the Tarte's lip paint in color Cheerleader. Alrighty guys, now I'm going to apply fake eyelashes. I'm pretty sure after all those videos that I've done, you know how to apply fake eyelashes, so I'm going to come back in a few minutes with a fake eyelashes on. Alright, so these are the fake eyelashes applied. Now I'm going to quickly fix my eyebrows and I'm going to come back to you. Ciao Bella. Okay, so that's my eyebrows. My eyebrows. In all, so I've just on my eyebrows I've just applied Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade in the shade dip brow pomade in shade soft brown. Okay, so now I think I'm gonna use some blush because my face is really pale. We're going to use, in order to blush my face, we're going to use Tarte blush in a shade Party. Wait, is it just me? So it's on the pencil, on the brush. I'm sorry. Okay, I got some sort of color on my face now. And the lipstick. So on our lips, we're going to use Tarte's. It's going to be very neutral shade. So it's Tarte's lip paint in a shade OG. Because I don't want to use anything really really crazy. So guys, see it. Let me just do my hair a little bit and I'm gonna come back to you and we're gonna take some pictures and we're gonna have a close look at this makeup. So this is the makeup I've done. This is this side, my face. This is this side. Okay, you guys, I'll be with you in a second. So this is the final look. Okay, guys, so I hope you really like this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Okay, guys. Bye.